What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to create this super easy half cut crease that is perfect for any occasion this holiday season. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Alrighty, so I'm going to start off by blending this shade all over my crease as our first transition shade, and I'm using a Real Techniques blending brush to do so. And the eyeshadow palette that I'm using today for this look is the Morphe 3502 Second Nature palette, which I absolutely love. And I'm still applying that same shade. I'm just using a different brush, and all the brushes I'm using are going to be listed down below in the description box along with all of the products. So now I'm going to go in with this shade that's about a shade or two darker than our previous transition shade. And I'm going to be using that same Real Techniques brush just to blend this out and blow it out all over my crease and my outer corner. By the way, I do cover that spot on my eyelash with eyeliner later on, just so you know. Now I'm going to use the ABH and AMREZY highlight to highlight my brow bone and then just blend that out really quick. And now to deepen up things a tad, I'm going to be taking this color right here, and this is the deepest that we're going to be going with the eyeshadows today. And I'm using a Wet n Wild fluffy brush to apply this to the outer corner, and then I'm going to slightly use that previous brush just to blend it into the other colors. Now we're going to move on to cutting the crease, and you can use whatever concealer you want. I'm going to list all the products down below in the description like I said, so if you want to know what I use, go ahead and look down below. Honestly, this look is really easy to create, you guys. I know a half cut crease can be a little intimidating, but just make sure that you're using a nice full coverage eye primer or concealer and a very thin brush, and you'll be good to go. And I'm going to apply this pretty much all over my lid to get a nice even base. And then once I like the shape and how it looks, just to blend it out, I'm going to be using my finger and gently tapping on the eyeshadow and the concealer. And for our lid, we're going to be going in with this shimmery color. It's like a champagne with some gold in there. It's very pretty. I love it. And I apply this all over my lid with a very thin brush to make sure I can get right in that crease without actually going on to the matte shadows and the transition colors. So use a very thin brush when you do that. And then I'm applying some more of that brown color on the outer corner and taking a thin brush to kind of circle around that crease to really give us a defined look. Now I'm going to be taking by NYX their matte liquid liner, and all I'm going to do is one straight line across the lash line just to give the eyelashes something to blend into. You can definitely do a wing eyeliner with this look, but I decided to ditch it because I really liked how it looked without it, so to make it a little easier on everybody, just ditch the wing, And also, so the ending of that liner doesn't look too awkward, I take a really thin brush and some black eyeshadow and just gently pat it on the end to kind of diffuse any awkwardness that's there. Alright, I'm going to apply some mascara really quick just to coat my eyelashes, and then the eyelashes that I'm going to be using today are the ARDELL DEMI Wispies. I love these. They're really perfect for this look. I think they're really natural, but it still gives you a little something something, and they're very comfortable as well. If you don't wear eyelashes, these are really good ones to start off with. And of course, we're going to curl those as well. And for the lower lash line, you guys already know how this goes. I'm going to take all the eyeshadows that I used on top, and in the same order that I used them, I'm going to apply them to the lower lash line, and then I'm going to take some setting powder just to kind of clean up the edges of the eyeshadow since I already have foundation on. I don't want to mess it up. Once we dust that off, we're going to apply some mascara and then some inner corner highlight, which I'm using that same AMREZY and ABH highlight to highlight my inner corner. And that's going to wrap it up for this tutorial, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below if you're not already. And I'll check you guys out in my next one. Bye!